Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all will be fine. Let's begin our class subject science chapter where science begins. Lesson number 3, using instruments to observe. Using instruments to observe. Human senses help us observe a lot of things, but they have their limitations. Scientific instruments have been invented to help our senses observe things more clearly. A hand lens, microscope, binoculars, telescope, and thermometer are some examples of observation instruments. Now, student, tell me, can you observe the stars of the sky or the fibers of your clothes with your naked eye? I know your answer will be no, because stars are too far away and the close fibers are too fine to be observed with the naked eye. So we use different instruments. Now I am telling you about some scientific instruments. Magnifying glass. A magnifying glass is a lens which can be used to make things appear bigger so you can see them better. Microscope. It is an optical instrument used to see an enlarged image of a tiny object. It makes a very small object look several hundred times bigger than it actually is. Telescope. It is an optical instrument used to see distant objects. Scientists observe stars, planets, and other heavenly bodies with a telescope. Binoculars. An optical instrument with a lens for each eye, used for viewing distant objects. The binoculars that we use work the same way as telescope does. Stethoscope, a medical instrument for listening to the action of someone's heart or breathing. Thermometer. A thermometer is an instrument that measures temperature. It can measure the temperature of a solid such as food, a liquid such as water, or a gas such as air. Now it's time to give you homework. Write down the definitions of the following in your notebooks: magnifying glass, microscope, telescope, binoculars, stethoscope, thermometer. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.